everyone, today we're going to make the Falcon and the Winter Soldier plus Captain America themed chips and dip. And the result looks pretty cool. Oh, found the fake cap. Yep, the shield belongs to John Walker. Alright guys, let's get started. For the chips, we're going to use regular corn tortillas. And then we'll be using food coloring to paint on the designs. To cut out the round shapes, I just used the lid of a jar and it worked really well. There was a lot of scraps left over though, but don't worry, you can still rip those up and use them as chips on the side. They just won't be part of your decorative plate. To help me make the designs better, I actually printed out some of the logos for the different superheroes, and then I used some scrap plastic to cut out the designs that I needed, like the stars and the outline of the Falcon's logo. Let's start with Captain America's shield. I started by putting the star stencil on top of the tortilla, and then I outlined it with blue food coloring. I painted along the edges with red food coloring, and then I made the red inner circle as well. Then I filled in the blue circle around the star. For the Falcon's logo, I placed the plastic on top of the chip and used some watered down black food coloring for the gray outline. Next, I outlined it in black. And then filled in the red. Bucky's logo was probably the hardest to do, mostly because it's in shades of gray and black, and that was kind of hard to portray on the chip, but I did the best I could. I put them on a pan and then I put them in the oven. To keep them from curling, I actually ended up placing another pan on top of them and baking them that way. They got really crispy and they didn't curl. Some earlier ones that I did actually did curl because I didn't use this method. And that's it. Now you have the Falcon and the Winter Soldier themed chips and dip for binging the last few episodes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm a huge, super Marvel fan, so this was really an exciting project to do, and I hope to do some more Marvel projects in the future, because Marvel is life. What can I say? I love Marvel. Anyway, that's all for now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.